Important people are much more interesting when they are drunk and seem much more like human beings.
I feel sorry for people who don't drink. When they wake up in the morning, that's as good as they're going to feel all day.
Beer is proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy.
Beer, if drunk with moderation, softens the temper, cheers the spirit, and promotes health.
I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts, and beer.
So when the devil says to you, "Do not drink," answer him, "I will drink, and right freely, just because you tell me not to." One must always do what Satan forbids.
He was a wise man who invented beer.
Thirstily he set it to his lips, and as its cool refreshment began to soothe his throat, he thanked heaven that in a world of much evil there was still so good a thing as ale.
This is grain, which any fool can eat, but for which the Lord has intended a more divine form of consumption. Let us give praise to our Maker and glory to his bounty by learning about beer.
Humankind was built on beer. From the world's first writing to its first laws, in rituals, social, religious, and political, civilization is soaked in beer.